Have a look at the Euro CAD today. And a warm welcome to one and all. And for those of you who have not seen me before, my name is Langers, and I am the overgrown child that is the Scruffy Trader. Because you've got to have your toys, but my favourite toys here today, and she's right here. You're going to let me play with you? Go on, we'll play patty cake.
Child.
Never mind, child, go get coffee. Good girl.
Yeah.
That's why she's really here. It's not really, this is her office, it's me that's invading it. I just like to come down and terrorise her. And we have a genuine, well, put my teeth back in, genuine good time. And it's one of the beauties of working for yourself. It has its heartaches as well, because it's not always a bed of roses. The thing with working for yourself is when it's good, but when it's bad, it's horrific. So I try to make every day as good as it can get. Anyway, enough about that. What are we here for? Well, we're here to see the big fella look at some charts. Today, if you bear with me just a second, we'll flick it over. I am looking at the Euro CAD. And why is that? Well, it's really just to help the guys in the Scruffy squad. I was asked this morning if I would do a bias, and it was for the Euro CAD. And if you bear with me, I shall show you. There is the idea I've already done for it. So the guys know exactly what it is I'm looking at. And the request was in here somewhere. Where are we at? So I can show you. There we go. Can we have a look at the Euro CAD? Certainly can, Nick, and this one is for you. I worked the bias out as a sell, and it's only fair if I open my mouth, I should back it up. So let's have a little look at it. It's not quite ready to go yet. It's got a little bit to go, but we're not far away. So I've defined the area we're going to work in, which is this here. And to be honest, if you go out to sort of a bigger time frame, there's no shock as to why this is a sell. However, you could turn around and say, this is double topping. Ha ha ha. But is it? Because if you go further down, is there a double on there? Not really. You know, it's just showing you that it's moving down. It's having a bit of a breather. It's done it before it goes on its journey. There's a lot more to it than just looking at it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave the camera running. The guys know exactly what it is that I'm looking for and why I'm going to be trading this. Now, if I take this out to a daily, I just want to show you something. What is its ATR? Well, its ATR is 82, so it can move 82 pips in a day. So what is the chances of me getting 10 pips out of this? Pretty high, because it has the movement within it. All right, so that's what I'm going to look to do. I'm going to look to try and get around 10 pips out of this, and that'll be fine. I mean, I did, if you saw yesterday's video, I was trading the DAX. I did quite well out of it. Today, if I get 50 quid, that's 400 for the 2 days. That's my sort of day done, if you like. It's kind of the way I look at it. I work on 200 quid a day, roughly. Okay. So I'll just leave the camera running. You'll see some orders come in, and we'll see if we can get some money out of it. And there you go, Nick. Quick 10 pips out of it. I missed a couple of my entries for my runners, but the essence was there. Basically, it was exactly what I said. I was looking at a golden eye principle, and in it came. Now, I could trade it the rest of the day, but I just wanted to show you it very quickly in action, and I hope that helps you. Genuinely do. And for those of you out there that don't know what I'm talking about, there's my 400 quid for the 2 days. In amongst the Scruffy squad, I talk with them all the time, and I do like to try and back up what I say. I wouldn't call myself an educator. I'm not. I just kind of tell them what I would do, and I always feel duty bound to back it up. And there you go. Because when you're day trading, 10 pips is pretty much all you need. If you can get 10 pips out of a trade, and you do that twice a day, 20 pips, £5 a go, that's £100 a day, 500 quid a week. That gives you a wage. It's kind of the way I look at things anyway. Of course, there's another way of looking at it. I have to pay for her, and she costs a fortune.
I don't.
You bloody do. Where are we going tonight?
We're going to get a dress.
Right. Trust me, it'll cost a fortune. You better be good tonight.
You were always mourning.
Oh, you were bloody mourning.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Right, there we go. Sorry, this was just an off-the-cuff video, and it was simply because I was asked in the squad what my thoughts were. And the idea was just to show you it in real time, and that with a bit of thought and a bit of patience, it is possible. So I'm going to enjoy the coffee and the rest of the day. And as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.